Hey guys, it's Talia and welcome back to my channel, guys. For today's video, I'm gonna be doing a rainbow Crease makeup tutorial. So today I was in the mood playing with colorful makeups. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to create this makeup look. I am so in love with this rainbow Crease eyeshadow. I was feeling the vibes right now. If you guys are new, hi, my name is Talia and welcome to my channel, guys. Do not forget to check out my mom's channel, her YouTube channel down below, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you like. Enjoy this video and let's just get started with the video, shall we? My eyebrows, and I also prime my eyelid off camera. I set it with powder. I'll link all the products down below for you guys. First, I'm going to start with my eyeshadow. The eyeshadow palette I'm going to be using is Take Me Back to Brazil palette, but I want to go with something blue, green, yellow eyeshadow look with a little pink pop-up in the eye. So that's what I'm aiming for. Taking this yellow shade right here. Taking this type of angle. Get closer, that way you can see what I'm doing exactly. To apply it like kind of from in the corner and then kind of like smudge it. So only halfway to up here. I'm just basically going to apply that shade and just kind of like blend it just halfway to my crease. Be going in is this green neon shade right here. It's taking this type of angled brush. This shade, I'm actually going to start off kind of in the center of the crease, kind of on top. And it doesn't matter if you kind of get it on the lid area of your crease, that's okay because we're going to clean that up. So what I like to do is I like to grab that shade and basically kind of like smudge it and kind of blend in with the yellow shade, so it won't be like a really harsh line. Left on the brush, I like to kind of go a little bit upper to my brow bone, not too high, but kind of like blend in. I'm gonna go in with this blue shade right here. Just taking this type of angled brush. I'm going to apply it kind of in the outer corner of my V. I'm kind of like smudging it and doing swirls with my green shade and blend all the colors together. Patting the eyeshadow shade, kind of like smudging it in my outer V, and then after I pat it and I get that enough product in my eyeshadow, I like to kind of like blend it in. Do a cut crease on my eyeshadow, angle brush right here, Tarte concealer, and do like a halfway cut crease. I'm gonna go in with my Strobe Glow highlight palette, this shade right here, and I'm gonna apply it on my cut crease. And take the neon green shade and just gonna blend the top blue shade and just blend the top, all the shades. Back with the ice later, and we're gonna start up our face. For primer, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, and I like to focus like in the T-zone area mostly because of the pores. Foundation, I'm gonna go in with my L.a Girl Pro Coverage HD foundation. This one is the shade Fair. I'm gonna go ahead and just apply like 3 dots on my face and on the bridge of my nose. I'm gonna go ahead and just spray my sponge with my Badescu. Blend my foundation. Always like to drag it down my neck. Concealer, I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Shade Tape Concealer, and this one is the shade Fair Beige. Take my L.a Girl Pro Concealer, and this one is the shade Porcelain. Just apply it on my chin area down the bridge, that's a crooked one, and on my forehead as well. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend my concealer. To set my under eyes, I'm gonna go in with my Becca setting powder. Look how dirty it is, guys. Such a mess. I'm gonna go ahead and just apply this in my under eye area. Mouth area, because that's where it gets creased, and around my nose I like to focus as well, because it's just really annoying, especially when you go out for, I don't know, for many hours and blast your whole entire makeup if you set it. So that's what I like to do. Just remove the translucent powder, and I did wait like for a little bit just so it can set properly. Wet n Wild contour stick, and apply it on my forehead area. Blend the contour stick and take my Hoola Benefit bronzer. I love this bronzer so much, and it's so good. The forehead area, just to give it a little bronze. Blush, I'm not going to go too extreme with the blush, so I am going to apply a little bit of the Wet n Wild Apricot in the Middle blush. I want to try new blushes, but which blush do you guys recommend me that is super good and the color is amazing? Comment down below, because I do want to go shopping for different blushes. I do have a few, not much of blush, but I do want to start getting more blushes. And take the Apricot in the Middle, and just gonna apply it in my cheekbones and drag it to my bronzer. Deluxe crease brush, and I'm just gonna take just a little bit, tiny bit of the Benefit bronzer. I'm gonna contour my nose. You know, try my best. I'm not a professional, but I just don't want my nose to be a little bit plain. Go ahead and finish up the eye look with this neon pink shade right here. With this shade, I am gonna put my bottom lash line, and hopefully this will brighten up the eye look. And take this purple shade right here, apply this in my outer V, and I feel like with this look I want it to be a little smoky, so I feel like stand out a little bit, just like that. It's like you got the purple, you got the pink, you got the green, you got the yellow going on, so I feel like this will be a nice colorful eyeshadow. Eyeliner, I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. eyeliner. Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I think with lashes it will look so beautiful, but since I'm gonna mess up the eyeshadow, I'm gonna struggle. Go ahead and apply my bottom lashes. M.a.c Prep and Prime Setting Spray. With the Strobe and Glow palette, Lustrous shade, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply that. Tip of my nose, down the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow area, my temple of my forehead, just like on the sides area. For lips, I'm gonna go in with my Kylie lip liner. This one is Dulce K. Kylie Cosmetic lipstick. This one is Birthday Suit. And with my Innocent lip gloss, this one is the shade Nude Candy. So this is the final look. I really hope that you guys enjoy this video. I really like how makeup look turned out, especially the eyeshadow. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a huge big thumbs up. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.